Good morning, class. So, actually, towards the end of this month, we will have a test, and for that, you have to see to this lesson. Lesson number 4, 5, 6, and 8. Fourth lesson is Rajput age, and the fifth one is location and time. Sixth one is administration and architecture during medieval age, and eighth is the Delhi during the medieval period. So, we have discussed about these four lessons, and we have also seen the question answers of this lesson. So you have to make sure that you are going through the complete lesson. Okay? I have given you the blueprint here, which is of 25 marks. मतलब पूरा question paper 25 marks का होगा, and the question one will be MCQ. That is not there in your notebook, but you have to read the chapters. I can ask from the middle anything. Okay? So it will be of 4 marks. The blanks will be 5 marks, and true or false 4 marks, and the question answers part. That won't be the lengthy ones, only the small ones. I will ask 12 marks. A question would be 6 questions, and one question will contain 2 marks. In that way, 12 marks question. Okay? So this is the blueprint. I will send the PDF in the group. Just make sure that you are going along with me. Your book is complete, then we can go through this test in a good manner. Okay? Okay, this is lesson number 4's MCQs, which you have written in your notebook. So the first one is, which emperor ruled till the end of the 6th century in India? So the answer is Gupta, option C. After the death of which emperor did the feudal lords and the chiefs became rulers? So it is the answer is Emperor हर्षवर्धन. यानी आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ हर्षवर्धन जो फ्यूडल लॉर्ड्स थे, मतलब जो रेवेन्यूज़ को कलेक्ट करते थे, वो लोग रूलर्स बनने लगे थे. तो जो वास्ट एम्पायर था हर्षवर्धन का, वो अलग अलग पार्ट्स में स्प्रेड हो गया था. थर्ड MCQ, who is considered to be the powerful ruler of कनौज आफ्टर एम्परर हर्षवर्धन? तो जो एम्परर हर्षवर्धन थे, उनकी डेथ के बाद कौन था पावरफुल रूलर कनौज का? इट इज यशोवर्मा, ऑप्शन ए. Okay, which town was made the capital after establishing rule in Ajmer by the rulers of Chauhan dynasty? तो जो रूलर्स थे चौहान डायनेस्टी के, कौन सा टाउन था जिसे कैपिटल बनाया गया था अजमेर का? आंसर इज दिल्ली, ऑप्शन डी. फिफ्थ, which king of Pallava dynasty is considered to be a powerful king? So you have to name the king among these options who was considered to be powerful, and the answer is Narasimhavarma, option A. 6. Rulers of which dynasty invaded Ceylon, श्रीलंका? तो इसमें से कौन सा रूलर थे जिन्होंने इन्वेडेड मतलब घुसपैठ करना, तो श्रीलंका में घुसपैठ की थी? इट इज़ आंसर इज छोला डायनेस्टी के जो रूलर थे उन्होंने इन्वेड किया था. ओके. 7th, रूलर्स ऑफ विच डायनेस्टी हैड पावरफुल नेवल आर्मी? ओके, डू यू नो द आंसर? इट इज छोला डायनेस्टी. मीन्स पावरफुल नेवल आर्मी साउथ रूलर्स के पास थी, बिकॉज दे शेयर द बॉर्डर्स विद अरेबियन सी. 8th, which was the capital of Chola dynasty? It is Tanjore, option B. Which town was founded by Ajay Raj, a ruler of Shakambhari state? It is Ajay Meru, option A. Who composed the famous epic Prithviraj Raso? It was written about the bravery of Prithviraj Chauhan, and the answer is Chand Bardai. Okay, so these are the MCQs of lesson number 4, which you have already written in your notebook. Okay, this is the MCQ of lesson number 5. First one, in which direction is the pole star seen? तो कौन सी डायरेक्शन में पोल स्टार देखा जाता है? इट इज सीन इन नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. सेकेंड, द इमेजिनरी लाइन्स दैट इज ड्रॉन in which direction on the globe are called longitudes. तो longitudes कौन से lines होती हैं? They are drawn from north to south, that is top to bottom. और दूसरी lines होती हैं latitudes और वो draw होती हैं east to west. Which longitude is called the international date line? कौन सी longitude है जिसे international date line बोला जाता है? It is 180 degree. So option D. Next, which is the biggest clock of the world? तो biggest clock वर्ल्ड में हर जगह देखा जाए और हम उसके हिसाब से टाइम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, वो कौन सा है? द ऑप्शन सी, सन. सन इज द बिगेस्ट क्लॉक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. फिफ्थ, हाउ मैनी लॉन्जिट्यूड्स आर देयर? देयर आर 360 लॉन्जिट्यूड्स, राइट? हमने लेसन एक्सप्लेन करते टाइम देखा था कितने लॉन्जिट्यूड्स होते हैं? 360 इमेजिनरी लाइन्स दैट पासेस फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ. 6, हाउ मच टाइम डज वन लॉन्जिट्यूड टेक टू पास इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सन? तो क्या है? 4 मिनट्स. इसीलिए दो लॉन्जिट्यूड्स के बीच का डिफरेंस क्या है? 4 मिनट्स. What is the time of all the places on one longitude when that longitude comes opposite to the sun? जब longitude sun के opposite आता है तो time difference क्या होता है? टाइम क्या होता है? It is 12 at noon और उसके बेसिस पर हम टाइम कैलकुलेट करते हैं. ये मीन्स overhead position of sun. 8, फ्रॉम विच सिटी डज आवर स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन पास बाय? और इंडिया का स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन टाइम पास कहाँ से होता है? इट इज़ फ्रॉम अलाहाबाद. ओके, दिस इज योर लेसन नंबर 6, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सिस्टम एंड आर्किटेक्चर ड्यूरिंग द मेडिवल एज. मतलब उस टाइम का जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सिस्टम, किस तरह से रूलर अपने स्टेट को एडमिनिस्ट्रेट करते थे और क्या उनकी आर्किटेक्चर स्टाइल थी. वी हैव लुक्ड इनटू दिस टॉपिक्स इन दैट लेसन. सो हियर वी हैव सम 4 MCQs. हु अपॉइंटेड कुमारपाल एज द किंग? किसने कुमारपाल को राजा की तरह अपॉइंट किया था? इट वॉज काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. हमने देखा था कि रिपब्लिक में काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स या ऑलरेडी जो प्रेजेंट राजा है वो नेक्स्ट रूलर को चूज़ कर सकते हैं या फिर जो लोग हैं वो भी अपना लीडर चूज़ कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड, विच ग्रामर बुक वॉज रिटन बाय जैन आचार्य हेमचंद्राचार्य? कौन सी ग्रामर बुक थी जो जैन आचार्य हेमचंद्राचार्य ने कंपोज की थी, लिखी थी? सो इट इज़ सिद्ध शब्दानुशासन. ऑप्शन ए. वेयर इज़ दी खजुराहो टेम्पल सिचुएटेड? इनमें से कौन सी प्लेस में अभी भी खजुराहो टेम्पल सिचुएट करता है? इट इज़ इन मध्य प्रदेश. ऑप्शन ए. हु वॉज द फर्स्ट सुल्तान ऑफ स्लेव डायनेस्टी ऑफ दिल्ली? सो द फर्स्ट सुल्तान कौन थे? कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक. ऑप्शन ए. पर अगर क्वेश्चन यूँ होता हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ स्लेव डायनेस्टी, तो आंसर वुड बी ऑप्शन सी, इल्तुतमिश, बिकॉज ही वॉज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द फर्स्ट रूलर ऑफ slave dynasty, or you can say the founder of slave dynasty was Iltutmish. But here you have been asked the first sultan of slave dynasty, and the answer is Kutubuddin Ibak. Okay, this is the MCQ of lesson number 8. Okay, who was the first Muslim ruler of India? So here you are asked to name the first Muslim ruler of India, and it is option D, Kutubuddin Ibak. Who is considered to be the real founder of the slave dynasty? So we have discussed in the previous lesson also that the founder of the slave dynasty is considered to be Iltutmish. That is option C. In which year Nasruddin came to the throne of Delhi? Option B, in 1246 CE. So that was the era when the Nasruddin came on the throne of Delhi. Next, who established the Khilji dynasty in Delhi? So Jalaluddin Muhammad was a person who established the Khilji dynasty in Delhi. The power in Delhi of Khilji dynasty was established by Jalaluddin. In which year did Alauddin Khilji became ruler of Delhi? It was in 1296 CE. Option B. Who established the Tughlaq dynasty in Delhi? Ghiazuddin. He was the one who established the Tughlaq dynasty. Which sultan took away plenty of wealth to Delhi from Devgiri? Answer is option B, Alauddin Khilji. He was the one who took away many wealthy things to Delhi. From where? Devgiri. On the bank of which river was Vijayanagar established? The kingdom of Vijayanagar was established on the bank of river Tungabhadra. So option B. Which king had good relation with the Europeans? We have seen it was Krishnadevaraya who had a good relation with Europeans. He has also built a canal with the help of Europeans, and they consider that this king's rule was very good and an example of good and bad administration. Next, what name did Hassan give to his royal dynasty as soon as he became a sultan? So Hassan named his dynasty what? Bahmani. Bahmani system was the name given by Hassan to his royal dynasty. Okay. So this is the MCQ part we have completed. From this MCQs you will be getting any 4. And there can be chances that 2 MCQs or 1 MCQs can be there from the lesson also. So read the lesson completely.